Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you really quickly how to use incognito mode on your desktop. So incognito mode basically is a private browser window, and so I'll do it for both Chrome and Internet Explorer. Now it's a little bit debatable as to whether this is helpful when you are trying to find cheap airfare, which is the purpose that I would use it for. You might have other reasons that you want to know how to do this. It's easy either way. Basically what it does is it keeps your browser from tracking a cookie, and a cookie is just a little tiny piece of data that shows where you've been on the internet. And so the theory is if you're looking for a flight, say to Venice, and you are on Expedia looking for that flight, without being in incognito mode, your computer is going to track that. And then if you come back, 20 minutes later, 30 minutes later, the flight price could change because it knows that you're really, really interested, and so they're going to raise the cost. Now, I have done this, like I said, both in and out of incognito mode and had prices change and prices not change, because I think there's a lot of other reasons why flights change that quickly. So if you get a good deal, you want to snag it. But it still doesn't hurt to try. And, if there's another use for incognito mode for you, then this is how you do it. So right now I am in Chrome, and in Chrome it's really, really easy. So depending, on which page that opens up, you could have a box that has three little dots up here. That would be the one that you click. In this case, where I'm just at the google.com home screen search bar, you go up to your little icon. If you're logged into a Google account, you can right click it, open link in new incognito window, and it's going to completely open up a new search window for me. And so note that I would have to go back into my Google account if I wanted to from here, because it hasn't saved those cookies, but I could go to Expedia, Cruises, or whatever right now, and look around and poke around a little bit and not have the browser tracking. In Internet Explorer, it's also as easy. Up there you have the three little dots in your Internet Explorer corner. Click them. Then all you have to go to is New in Private Window. And then now I'm incognito. If you are on a Windows or Chrome device, you can also use the Control plus the Shift plus the N button on your keyboard as a shortcut, and I will put that in the description. And that is how easy it is to go into incognito mode, so you can give it a try if you need to while you're searching for your next airfare on Chrome and Internet Explorer.